Hi, welcome to another DIY video. Today we're putting together a birthday party for my son and daughter. They're about 3 days apart from each other, so we decided to do it all in one day. Right now you're looking at a messy area. This is my daughter's side. We decided to go with the white, mint green, and pink and gold. Right now we're doing her candelabra for her side of the party. We got it nice and gold. That's one of the color themes. Excuse the mess. The kids are running behind. There's a lot of balloons all around. And my husband's putting together the candelabra with the flowers. We chose to do pink, whites, and mint green to go with those color concepts. I know this seems a little bit bombarded, like we're rushing through things, but we're doing that because this concept took a very, very long time. And my husband's planning to do like separate videos to do like a detailed tutorial on how to achieve this look. So don't forget to please like, share, subscribe, comment, and please press the notification button so that you can be updated on any new tutorials that we have coming. Once my husband finished putting the flowers on top of the candelabra, he took it outside and he's putting some finishing gold touches on it. Yes, I know it's not perfect, but the finishing product is so beautiful. Please stay tuned to watch. Also, when you're doing this, please make sure you put your mask on and do it in an open air area, preferably outside. Once we were finished spraying, I just couldn't help but look at the beautiful nature scenery. I love nature. Oh, excuse the noise in the background. That's my son. We're back inside, and to finish up the candelabra, we're gluing on the candlesticks so they won't move if the table shakes or anything. Now we're moving on to the room where we're setting everything up. Because the balloons were so light, it wasn't hard at all to place them up against the wall. We used thumbtacks and wires to do so. I forgot to mention, we did use 2 5-pound dumbbells to hold the balloons in place, and we used one on each side. Right now we're putting the finishing touch to the look. My husband just placed the candelabra, which we finished, on the table. That's gonna be our main centerpiece. And adding the chairs, I'm adding the plates. That will be it for my daughter's side. For my son, we wanted to do something fairly easy, and so we got the backdrop and some balloons, table. I am so in love. We wanted to go with like the tea party type theme because my daughter loves tea parties. And also the candelabra. I'm so in love. And please, I would love for you to comment, give us feedback on what you thought about our candelabra, our DIY. This is my son's side. We did a very simple concept with the balloons. And right now you're looking at an empty table because on our next video, we're gonna be showcasing everything. So please subscribe to our channel for you to see all the details. Thank you so much. I so appreciate your time. Please tune in next week to see both party concept. As you can see, My daughter's birthday party is a father-daughter brunch. Tune in next week to find out what my son's theme was. And please let me know how I did narrating. This was my first time. Thank you.